fourth grade. I remember the day when it happened. I was just out on a walk as I would be, just roaming around, just doing what I usually do. This happened a couple of months ago, before all this happened just now. I was just living a happy life until I found a notebook on the floor. I thought it belonged to somebody, so I just picked it up, knowing it could be someone's notebook or something, and try to find if there anyone left their name on it or something. But I also found a trail of tiny little notebooks. What could it be, honestly? I decided to follow them to see what they would lead me to. That's when I met him. He would guide me through all this. He would be the one that lead me to this journey.